Install extra thermostat conductors now to future-proof your system for smart thermostats, humidifiers, zoning, and easier troubleshooting. Most installers skip extra wires because the current thermostat works, but the expert move is to pull a 5 or 6 conductor cable, even if your present setup only uses 2. Run from the furnace or air handler to the thermostat location and label each conductor at both ends with durable tape and permanent marker so future devices can be wired without opening walls. When fishing through walls, use a low-friction fish tape, a small diameter pilot drill or inflatable conduit to protect sheathing and avoid insulation compression. Keep cable runs straight and avoid tight staples that nick the jacket. Terminate wires on a removable terminal strip at the equipment end so you can swap or add devices. Humidifier, zoning damper, outdoor temperature sensor, without soldering. If the system has a common contact missing for power-hungry smart thermostats, plan for a dedicated 24-volt transformer or use a powered common adapter, only as a last resort because it can mask deeper wiring errors. For multi-stage heat or cool and heat pump systems, document which conductor controls each stage and photograph terminal boards. Store the photos with the service record. Ground the cable sheath where required and maintain separation from high voltage runs by at least 6 inches to reduce induced noise that can cause intermittent control faults. Test every conductor with a continuity meter and label dead or shorted conductors immediately, then secure slack in an accessible junction box so future upgrades avoid drywall cuts. Finally, if you expect to add a battery-backed thermostat or power-hungry accessories, size the transformer ampacity accordingly, and confirm the control circuit fuse protects the new load. One of the most common thermostat wiring mistakes is running just the 2 power conductors and later needing a common wire for smart thermostat install. Fix this by pulling a 5-conductor cable now or installing a separate 24-volt transformer dedicated to the thermostat circuit. One of the top problems is failing to label conductors and terminals, which makes troubleshooting long and costly. Fix that by using permanent, clear labels at both ends and keeping a wiring diagram photo with the equipment. One of the other frequent issues is routing low-voltage thermostat wiring alongside high-voltage mains, which causes noise and intermittent control issues. Fix this by maintaining separation, using shielded cable if unavoidable, and grounding shields properly. BigHomeProjects.com lists pre-screened local HVAC and electrical contractors who specialize in thermostat wiring and smart thermostat upgrades, helping homeowners find trusted pros for installs and rewiring projects. It also helps contractors get work by connecting them with nearby leads, actively searching for thermostat wiring, humidifier hookup, and system upgrades.